The Union Public Service Commission has declared the UPSC NDA 1 result 2023 in online mode on the official website. The NDA 1 result has been declared in PDF format. Candidates who appeared in the exam can check and download their result on the Commission's website at upsc.gov.in. The detailed steps to check the result for NDA 1 are provided in this video. How to check NDA result? Open UPSC official website at upsc.gov.in. Click on the UPSC NDA 1 result link in the What's New section. Now click on the NDA 1 result PDF link. The result will appear on the screen with the roll numbers of qualified candidates. Use Ctrl+F to search for your roll number or name in the result PDF file. Download and save the result for future reference.